You used to take me there in backpack, Daddy. You would used to take me there in backpack.
Okay, get on the other side of the road.
Backpack fits her well.
Careful with the cars.
Backpack fits her well, I think.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Everyone looks ready.
Everybody's ready.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Hi. Lanta, walk slowly. Lanta, walk slowly. Watch your step.
Okay, I know.
The New Balance. I hear all the kids in the playground. This way. Well, we can go either way, but...
I want to be in front.
Okay. Take your time. These steps are shorter.
No. Skinny too. They're also skinny.
I think your neighbor is in your class.
What?
I don't think he is.
Well, they said it's his first day of kindergarten. There are the blackberry bushes. I think we picked them all.
She knows, doesn't she?
What's the
Yes.
picture of me next to the blackberry bushes?
There you go, baby.